So once you have your legs cut to 17 1/4, you're going to come over to the router that looks like this. Notice here we have a 1 and a 2 set up. This fence is actually screwed down over here, so it's going to be able to pivot back and forth. Okay, we need to adjust this by loosening it, and bringing it up to number 1, tightening it back down. And what we are going to do is I'm going to take my left hand, hold it like this, and my right hand, hold it like this, push it up against, and we're going to push this in until it hits the stopping block. This is going to cut a small groove straight into this, okay? Straight into this with that actual cutter. So I'm holding firmly back here, pushing in. Then I'm taking my right hand, placing it on top, and sliding this back. Turning the router off, and I'm going to do this to all 4 of my table legs. This is called a mortise, okay? Once I am done with all 4 of my table legs, this mortise is going to face the fence for number 2. So for number 2, I need to loosen this, move this back a little bit to the line, tighten it back up, and now I'm going to take this mortise, I'm going to rotate that in to the wall. Okay, so that's going to be in here. So now this is going to get cut, as you can kind of see, a little bit over. All right, so same process. I'll hold like this and hold like that. Take it all the way up against the stopping block. Put my right hand on top and slide back. Turn the router off, and you should have a mortise here and a mortise here on 2 adjacent sides.